Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Oh, look at this. This is a one of those little slidey toys here where you try and slide the images over. You're supposed to make the image so you can shift it around like that. These are quite fun. This was the latest state-of-the-art toy when I was growing up. So I have one of these. I don't know what it is. I have a Daddy's Girl slap bracelet. It's a Daddy's Girl slap bracelet. You ready? Here we go. Slap the arm. Ow. Ooh, that hurt. But it's Daddy's Girl. Okay, just like that. Like this and go like that, and it'd be Daddy's Girl. Okay, so that's the slap bracelet there. So we've got that. Tinker Toy wheel, or a wheel from a wooden toy is what I'm figuring that to be. I have a game piece of some sort there. I have a little stretchy dinosaur there. I have another stretchy dinosaur there. One of these days I'm going to find something really cool in here. I have a... Is this one of those golf... what is this? Oh, there it is. Let's see here. This is... Well, it's a flashlight, and it actually works. It's a flashlight, keychain flashlight. Keychain flashlight. I don't know how much longer it's going to work. It's fading out. But there it is. And and I think it's a whistle, too. A whistle. I don't know that I want to put my mouth on it now because I don't know where it's been. But that's a keychain whistle. Some barbed wire fence. That'll keep the boys away from my girls. And let's see. Oh, another flashlight. This might actually be a good one. Or not. It is a keychain flashlight. And, oh, there it goes. You really have to like kind of hold this little thing down. But there it is. It's like a blue light. Okay. This is fun. Let me get this box out of the way. I have a little... Oh, I think it's that toy from Toy Story. It is the Disney Pixar. It's that bad guy. The bad guy in one of those Toy Story movies. There he is. I have a little wooden person there. There we go. I have a ring that will just fit on my thumb. A thumb ring. Or it is a conehead hat. A conehead hat. Whoops. A star eraser. I'm guessing that's what that is. A compass. A compass that doesn't work. So there's a compass there. Another stretchy dinosaur. Another... Oh, look. This is a pixel Minnie Mouse. So there's a pixelated Minnie Mouse right there. Let's put her right there. Minnie, stay there. Minnie. Okay. A rubber bracelet. It's the Endeavor Elementary Cubathon rubber bracelet. And it doesn't stretch very well. I have a magnifying glass. Awesome. Now I can actually read the back of some of these things. And it actually works. So I'm going to use this in my toolkit right there. I have a little alien statuette. Plastic toy that doesn't stand. I have another stretchy dinosaur. I have another eraser. I have a Star Wars game with all sorts of figures. It's a box buster. A box buster. There are 2 of them, it looks like. And I'm going to open them up. I want to see what they do. It's a box buster. So here we go. Do you hold it like this? Somebody's going to know how to do this, and I don't. But a box buster. I'm going to probably break it. Do I push it? Do I push it? There it is. The box buster. 222.